So I have implemented a 80 microcontroller based solution. This is a 8051 microcontroller, and I have interface and an LCD, keypad, and a motor. So what this project is gonna do is when a specific password is entered in this microcontroller, then it will rotate it in either clockwise and anti-clockwise direction depending upon the password provided. And if the password is wrong, it's gonna uh, tell that it will not start this motor and give an error message. The code is purely assembly language based code. I have done this code over here. This is a complete code of this project. It's a bit long code, but let's see how it's gonna work. So when I play it, it is going to ask me the password. I have used Keel to implement this project, and assembly language is used. It is a pure assembly language based, not a C language or C++ language. So now I have to enter the password. That is basically 074. So let's see what happens now. So it has matched with the password. My access has been granted, and it will be locked in the clockwise direction. So now we can see that motor is basically rotating in a clockwise direction. So now if I want to change its direction, I can do simply enter the different code. Or let's say what happens if I enter the wrong password in it, how it is going to perform. So these are some introductory messages. Now I will be entering the wrong password. It is basically a 7-digit password. I can enter anything. Let's say 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now the password that I have entered is, let's see what it's gonna say. It is either wrong or something. If it is wrong, you will see, yeah, it was the wrong password, and microcontroller has detected it. So it is showing wrong password and access denied. So it's gonna restart and going to ask again. So let's see. I will not go through the complete code in this video, but I will give you some overview. So of the main loop. So this is basically the main loop. It goes through again and again, and the logic goes all over down over here. And yeah, so the main loop is 155 lines long. And how it's gonna work? Let me give some brief introduction of it. So I have wrote LCD. I have interfaced the LCD, and I'm sending LCD commands First we have to initialize the LCD, so I send LCD commands and then I send the data that I want to show on it. So the command one, text one, command two, all of these texts have been initialized at the end. Over here like this. These are the LCD commands to send. These are LCD initialization commands, and these are all the text messages that I want to show. And at the end, this is the password that it checks with. And yeah. So it's gonna initialize and then send data. Then again initialize and send data. So you're seeing the messages like password based mechanical control system. So all of these messages are initial messages have been displayed. Now after all of these messages, it's gonna ask for enter the password. So after entering the password, it will store it in the scratchpad location at 40 hexa location. Starting it will receive all the data in that location and save it. The password will be saved. The entered password will be saved in that location. And when we have received all the data, we will come over here. This is the password checking code. What we're gonna do, we will load all the data from the in the DPTR, and the data, there are two set of data, one that we have already stored in the database and the other one that user is going to enter it in. So we have stored it in from the 40 hexa and onward, and the password one has been loaded. We will loop through each bit and we will check if the password matches, and if the password does not match, it will go to the invalid one and print the message accordingly. So if the password matches, this is the loop. It sends the command and the text that you want to display, and then turn on the motor to rotate in the clockwise direction. And at the end, there is an infinite loop going on. So after setting the motor in either direction or stopping the motor, it will just stay in this infinite loop. So this was a very interesting project that I have done. So I hope you like this one. If you have any comments, please let me know.